Let's look at the best advanced options for Focus AI. We'll scroll down and activate the first advanced section first. This is the interface we'd normally use, but there are some interesting features in this interface. It's important you know and understand how they work. For example, the image number feature. It's useful for generating multiple images at once. You can set the number of images up to 32 max. You can let it run to create all 32 images at once. No need to manually generate each one repeatedly. Many apps lack this. It's a very useful feature. Another advanced option is in the models section. We can use up to 5 different LoRa models. For those unfamiliar, LoRa models are trained for specific purposes, for instance with your face, to understand how to create an image of it. This way the machine learns to generate a well-crafted image of your face and make it as accurate as it truly is. We can mix up to 5 different LoRa's for various purposes. If we want an image with our face, we might use 2 LoRa's, one for generating studio style images and another for our face. It's fascinating for those wanting to use the program at an advanced level. In the advanced section, there's an option to activate developer mode. This is for people who truly understand image control and generation. For example, we can change the models used to create these images. Basically, this section of sliders, or the DPM you see here, these are like shapes, or rather paths the image follows as it's created. This, for example, gives us a more realistic look, so people familiar with VAE and such can use it. It'd have many sections for control and inpainting. Also, if we switch to the input image and activate it, we have various advanced options like upscale variation. We can upscale the image up to twice its size. Quite useful if you need to upscale an image. You could also do image blending to mix different images and use a prompt to blend them together, like putting a face on a differently generated body. We used this in a video on creating AI characters. Finally, there's an interesting section I liked. Describe. As I was saying, I really like this tool because it lets you upload an image. In this case, I've uploaded this image and you can have it describe what's in the picture. You can also specify if the content is a normal photo or anime art. It then creates a description like a prompt based on this image, so you can use this prompt to generate more images similar to this one. It's not bad, but honestly it could be better as the output is quite basic. It didn't mention the car's details like what type it is or if it's an SUV. So it's okay, but this feature could be improved. With these advanced options, you can now create your best images.